Hey, what's up, you money makers? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to talk about two penny stocks pretty briefly into this video, and this is super important and it is also time sensitive updates and information that you really want to look into this penny stocks. I have invested in this penny stocks myself. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do a lot of research and I like to share with you, hoping you can also make informed financial gain into your investment journey if you follow this analysis and if you follow the review. And also do the review on your own as well, because I have no certification. Or what I have is a lot of fuel in myself to learn more and more about what's going on with these companies, what we can do to get the benefit out of it. And once again, penny stocks are pretty speculative, risk versus reward. You can make a ton of money. On the flip side, you can lose them as well. So watch yourself. That's your money. You only want to invest a small fraction of it that doesn't wake you up at night. So this is very important, that this penny stocks have the financial quarterly earning upon them. So that's a big catalyst. So we'll talk about that as well, and which is why I'm saying this is time sensitive, because we're expecting earning from both these companies within 6 to 8 days. Hopefully in next 6 to 8 days, that can spike the stock up. As you can see right here, United States Antimony Corporation, ticker symbol UAMY, already up 10.37%. I'll also talk about some of the revenue projections that we can also think about this USMY, and one more penny stock that I'm going to talk about, and also what makes the price action more intense. So let's talk about that. We'll also talk about the trading strategies, because these stocks could be a pretty good swing trade opportunity for next within a couple of weeks. At the same time, this also has value add as companies, because they have pretty good financial future. The way the company has been operating, the way the stock prices, what their market cap looks like, and the way the stocks are trading. And let's talk about all that. So click on the like button if you haven't already, because 72% of all my viewers are not subscribers. So you help out the channel. It doesn't really cost you anything. Click on the like button, click the subscribe button. You can also help and support the channel by joining the Patreon, which has the link is down in the description below. And you can also join the private Discord. We're a very small group, talk about a lot of penny stocks, many growth stocks, cryptocurrencies, so on and so forth. So come join the community. We'll help support each other. And let's talk about UAMY first. The first penny stock is UAMY. As you can see, it is up 10.37%, trading at 1.09. Many of us in our Discord, including myself, we bought this stock around 80 cents range. We did a few swing trades. I want to say 3 to 4 swing trades, and earned about 10 to 15% return every single time. So think about it. You bought the stock, you got a few swing trades, you got that your price down by 50% already. So by 80%, let's say if someone buys right now at $1, it is also the cost basis is already 50 cents for them. But that's not what I want to talk about. What I want to talk about is what can happen from this price point onward. As you can see right now, the day range is 99 cents. The high is $1.15. The year range, 52-week range, is 22 cents. It went as high as $2.56. And we saw, and that's why I saw the opportunity at 80 cents. It's not a massive price to pay for 80 cents for UAMY right now. Market cap is very small, 114 million US dollars. One thing that I want to call out for this stock, cash on hand is 23 million. So it has almost 22% or maybe more than 20% cash on hand compared to the market cap. The company was founded in 1968. By the way, they had a pretty old website. Now I see this new website. It's I'm great to see that this is WordPress based website, and the icon suggested. That's why I wanted to just call it out. But it's a nice looking website now, and this company has a pretty good potential. It is trading on NYSE and rapidly growing natural resource company that has increasing raw material supply of antimony properties from the properties in Mexico and third parties around the world. They also have produced various antimony products starting 1969. The company was founded, as we saw, 1968, and it's a fully integrated mining, transportation, milling, smelting, and selling company. They have been sold out in many times during the year, sold out condition. The company has proven experience in underground and open pit mining, flotation, and a lot of other things when it comes to mining. And they have all these sites that the zeolite They also have precious metal. They are also into the precious metal, gold and silver, so on and so forth. You can learn more about that. But what I want to call out is one of the big catalysts. Their earning is coming up on August 18th, 2021. Today is August 10th, so within 8 days they are going to release their earning. This tend to change because it's a smaller companies, and they tend to change because of the resources and whatever that is going on inside the company. So that's one of the caveat. But what we see is on August 18th, we will be able to see how the company did in the past quarter. If you want to take a look into the previous quarters, the company has a pretty successful quarter, 1.25 million. Prior to that, close to $1,900,000. Before that, 1 million. Before that, 1.59 million. And in March 2020, it was 1.74 million. So pretty consistent volume, revenue. Pretty consistent net income. Yes, it's negative because there are a lot of overheads for these companies, but the important thing to note is their cash on hand is 23 million. So I do not see that there will be any stock dilution anytime soon or something along those lines, because the company is stable. It's in the market for a long time. Their market cap is 114 million and they have $23 million cash on hand. So there is a nice story to tell if someone wants to invest into this stock. Now, as you can see, the volume spiked up. The volume is 4 times more at the moment than the average volume of 2.2 million, which is in my opinion great sign. So UAMY is a pretty stunning stock in my opinion, and for full disclaimer, I own UAMY myself as well. But as you can see right here, we saw $2.56 right here, and from that we got back all the way down to 77 cents, 73 cents, as you can see right here. I bought it at 73 cents, sold it at 90 cents ish, and I did multiple trades as a swing trade within like a few days, and multiple trades. And in my Discord, many people also do the swing trades in UAMY because it's slow and steady and stable stock in my personal opinion. And what we see is the stock broke out of the $1 zone, and it is right now above 1.05. If you can see right here, when the stock crosses $1.05, it tends to spike up. It went to $1.36 in the past. Once again, let's get back right here. $1.10 after it broke, it went to $1.38. So once it breaks $1.05, we have seen multiple times in the past. Right here, once again, $1.05 right here went to $2.56 back in the days in February. That's when also I bought the stock and sold it for profit. Once again, $1.10 went to $1.38, $1.08, I guess $1.05 went to $1.36, and I think it will repeat the story if the volume sustains, because I see a massive green bar right here, as you can see just right now. Looking at the 1 month chart, you should be able to see it pretty clearly how it went up from the bottom of 86 cents. It went all the way to $1.10. So it's almost 50% profit if someone bought it right here before a month, almost before a month. So great company, great story to tell. And there is an operational update which sounds pretty amazing in my opinion. You can take a look at it. Ambry is backed by the Microsoft founder Bill Gates, and they have, I think, invested more than $15 million. Don't quote me on the numbers because I don't quite remember, it's not in front of me, but I've read some reports, and also they gave some of the updates on their other sites, and it is looking pretty promising. The second stock I want to talk about is IMMR, very innovative company. This company has $236 million into market cap, as you can see just right here. And with this market cap, this company is out of California. It's a licensor and developer company for the touch feedback technology, which is known as haptic technology, and was founded in 1993, as you can see just right here. And they offer their licensing and patents used in the digital technology into the mobile devices, into the gaming controller. I believe they also have the tie-up with the PlayStation that has been using their haptic technology. They also have touchpads and medical training equipment tie-ups, gaming and consoles, and other consumer electronics. And they own a lot of patent and trademark offices within their company, Immersion Corporation. As you can see, the revenue is 7.16 million, very healthy net income of 2 million. The company has $102 million cash on hand compared to their market cap of 236 million. So we're looking at close to 50% cash on hand compared to the market cap. So one fact I like about this company as well, very similar to what we saw for ticker symbol UAMY. They have plenty of cash on hand, so we're not expecting any stock dilution. Think about it. Every single time BNGO, NNDM, many other small companies went up, they had to raise more and more capital. They took the opportunity to buy, to dilute shares, and which is once again not a bad thing. It's a good thing. But in this case, both these companies have cash on hand if they want to invest before they dilute their stocks. Right now, their volume, their revenue was 7.16 million, net income 2.4 million. Prior to that, 10.94 million with the net income of $8+ million. Massive net income. Before that, 7.6 mil. And net income is 2.86 million. June 2020, 5.67 million with the net loss of $712,000. Once again, there is a negative net income, but it's not massive. You want to know that. And before that, they had a pretty big negative net income of 4.83 million. And everyone has ups and downs, but this company is pretty stable for last 3 or 4 quarters, and the revenue is massive. Their net income is massive compared to their market cap. So which is why I like this company. There is a pretty stunning website as well. I like to see this company, their progress. They have more than 3 billion plus devices using the technology. As I mentioned, PlayStation uses this. So every single controller that the company sells, that the manufacturing company sells, this company, Immersion Corporation, gets the royalty on that. They have 15 plus award-winning designs and products, and they have licensed customers that are more than 150 plus. So that means they manufacture using this license that the IMMR provides, and IMMR, all they do is just getting cash every single time those companies sells their devices to their own customers. Pretty stunning business to be in, which is why I like this company. $7.45. The company has the earning announcement coming up on August 16th. They also have advised us. The stock is trading at 7.43. More on the 52-week low range side. Take a look. 52-week low is $6.10. High is $16.64. The volume, today's volume is 432,000 versus the average volume of 570,000. Now the volume is very small in my opinion. Now we saw in the past, but before we go to the volume, I just wanted to share one of the pointer that the company provided is Immersion to report second quarter results and host quarterly conference on August 16th. Which is 6 days from now, once again a catalyst, but they already have announced their preliminary results for the fiscal year ending in quarter 2021, which looks very promising to me because they're expecting to have the revenue of 10.5 million to 11 million with the GAAP operating expenses to be 5.1 to 5.5 million, so 5.5 million, and they're expecting to get the operating expenses around 4 million, but they want to report there will be some sort of income between 5 to 5.5 million, which is going to be amazing. And think about it, it's a 50% profit, 50% net gain that the company is going to earn the revenue in general from the revenue. The earning will be massive compared to what we have seen, because once again, this is a licensing deal, this is a royalty deal that the company is keep getting cash every single time the manufacturers sell their product, which is one of the best business to be in. Now let's take a look once again how the stock has been doing. Now the stock went as low as $7.09 in the recent past, and in my opinion, I think that's a very low price for the stock compared to what they are doing and how they are doing the thing. So there is a pretty good potential. We saw back in the days the volume was about 1 million. Sometimes it does get about 1 million when the company announces the results. Usually when there's an earning coming up, the volume spikes up because there is a lot more potential. People see a lot more value. It tends to go to it did go $14-15 this year. It was $15.25 on February 9th, as you can see just right here. And from there, the stock went down. And at that time, there was a lot of penny stock hype. There's a lot of stock momentum going on. And then the stock went down. With that, IMMR also went down. Remember, there is nothing, absolutely nothing changed fundamentally for this company. Their business didn't change. Their market cap, of course, market cap went down, but their potential did not change. The cash on hand did not change. Everything remains the same, but the stock price went down. That makes me think that this could be a pretty good long term. If someone wants to double their money, they take they invest in the stock, forget about it for a few months. Maybe they can double the money. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence and research before you buy or sell this stock or any other stock without stock on this channel. But I just wanted to share how it has been working, because take a look right here. From this, the stock went from $15.66. The stock went down right here, $9.60. From there, it went up all the way to 11.50, went down all the way to $6 or $7.35. Once again, we started going back up. We went back down, and once again, there will be much movement into the positive direction once the company announces their financial earning. Hopefully, we need to see the volume, but I just wanted to share this information with you. Hope you like this. Click on the subscribe button, click on the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing.